What's up there, sports car world? Cody here, Card Attractions, getting ready to break into some 2020 Donruss Optic. Got two blasters here, so we're just gonna rip right into them. I think these are the first Optic that I've opened. Seen them in the store the other day, so I had to pick them up. Oh, got a nice bonus pack in there. Sweet. Always like those. Alright. It is Friday. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Start this little bonus pack here. Okay. Alright, so we got Corey Clumber, Jose Barrios, and Lewis Thorpe. Very nice cards there. Alright, let's get into this first pack. I actually got one more of these blasters, so I don't know. We'll see if I get to it or not. Garrett Cole, Luis Reyes, nice Robin Yount there, and Zach Gallen. Got a rookie. Alright. We got Josh Bell, Blake Snell, Addy Rutschman, and Trey Mancini, Diamond King. It's really nice. Right. We got Christian Yelich. Nice. Matt Carpenter. Nice. Madison Baumgartner. Very nice chrome card there. And we got a Matt Tice. Rated rookie. Alright. Oh, Gavin Lux, the rookies. We got a Willie Castro rated rookie there. This Gavin Lux a little sleeve real quick. Very nice. Brian Sanders, Shohei Ohtani, nice. Joey Bart, Austin Meadows, Diamond King. But this is Joey Bart, and that's nice. It's got an orange chrome rated rookie. Not numbered, but it is super nice. Don't know much about it. Check it out. So, very nice pack. Alright, last pack for this first blaster here. See, I do got some new subscribers to the channel. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for the support. I'm getting closer to that card giveaway. I'm actually kind of excited. And then I'll announce my next giveaway after that way. This Austin Meadows is really nice. Illusions card. Not numbered, but it is nice. Hang on to it. And then Travis Dimitri. Alright. Next box here. Really ain't much in these boxes. 27 cards. Alright. We got Brandon Lowe, Yu Chang, and Marcio Dubon. Mauricio Dubon. Very nice cards. Not nobody particularly I'm looking for. Another Shohei Ohtani, Chris Bryant, Josh Donaldson, Stained Glass. That's actually a really nice card. Not numbered, but it is nice. And then we got a Nico Horner rated rookie. Alright. Nice Roger Clemens throwback there. Donnie Walton for a rated rookie. So, not really getting much out of these. Jeff McNeil, Mondesi, and Nelson Cruz, Diamond King, Chrome. It's actually all chrome, but don't have a white border. It's kind of nice. And see, this one does. Miguel Cabrera has the white border. They're both nice, though. Alright. Let's see. You guys excited about baseball? It's always nice. Sports back on. George Soler, Royce Lewis, and a Ronald Acuna Jr. All-Star card. That is a really nice card there. I'll hang on to that one. I really like that card. Very nice. Anthony Rizzo, Nick Senzel. We got Andres Munoz, rated rookie there. And then we got this really nice mythical Ronald Acuna Jr. Definitely have to leave that up there. Super nice card. No number on it, but it is really nice. Alright. Haven't even pulled a Nakina yet. Not one Nakina. And he's on the front of the pack. What's it? We got Jose Altuve. We got a Jordan Alvarez, the rookies. Nice. And a Zach Gallen, rated rookie there. So, did not take long to open them two, so we're going to go ahead and rip into this third one here. At least try to make this break a little better than what it has been. It's alright. I still got more stuff to break. Go ahead and hit this bonus pack first. I always like these. I think we all do. Jeff McNeil, Marco Gonzalez, and a Michael Baez. Very nice. Nobody I was looking for. Casey Mize and Josh Bell. These are the only 3 boxes they had, so I had to take what I got. I hadn't opened none of these yet this year, so I definitely want to share some with you guys on the channel here. We got Tommy Edmonds, so I picked him up. There's an Arenado, very nice. And another Nico Horner. Every week I go make my trip. This week I spent less on cards, boxes of cards, I should say, because I've been actually buying up a lot of particular cards on eBay, which I'll go over those with you very soon. Donnie Walton rated rookie again. Then this Jordan Yamamoto here is all chromed out rated rookie. It's super nice. So 3 packs left. If you guys got any comments, feel free to leave them in the box. Like I said, I appreciate you new subscribers. If you guys are watching and haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hello, Pete Alonso. As well as that like button. Oh, there's a really nice Gavin Lux. Stained glass. Very nice card there. And then we got Miguel Cabrera again. Last 2 packs here. So, we got Jacob DeGrom, Juan Soto, really nice. Brett Bylevin, Chrome, and then we got another All-Star, Ronald Acuna Jr. Very nice. Yeah, that's my second one now. Alright, last pack, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the channel. Please stay tuned. I'll be back here in a little bit. Probably going to rip them some NFL. Not for sure yet, but definitely going to upload another video. So I hope you guys stop in and watch. Buster Posey, Hoskins. We got Andres Munoz, rated rookie here. And then we got another mythical of Pete Alonso. Very nice. So that is it, guys. That does complete our break today. Didn't get no real big hits. Got a bunch of rated rookies. Did pull the mythical Pete Alonso. Got the really nice Ronald Acuna Jr. All-Star. Stained glass Gavin Lux. This all chrome rated rookie Jordan Yamamoto. We got a mythical Ronald Acuna Jr. We got another All-Star Ronald Acuna Jr. This chrome rated prospect Joey Bart, and we got the rookies Gavin Lux. So I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. That's what we pulled today. Like I said, stay tuned. I will be back with some NFL football. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.